Welcome to the White River, Arkansas. We're on the tailwaters of Bull Shoals Lake. Norfolk Lake is a little bit to our east. The biggest brown trout in the world are in this river. It's fed by cold waters that come under the dam. The dam turbines chew up little shad, and the trout feast on the plenty, and they get enormous. Apparently, the fishing game people have electroshocked brown trout in here well over 44 pounds. So they're in here. Cotter, Arkansas is known as Trout Capital USA. It's a hidden gem. We come here almost every year and do some fantastic trout fishing. You can see that the water is very, very cold. There's mist coming off here in the morning, and the water can run 40, 50 degrees. And it's full of fish. You can see some of the guides out here. We have some guides we really like. Our favorite guide today is Dwayne Bell. He's been doing this for many, many years. And you can see here's the beautiful White River. It is clear as can be. It's ice cold, and the trout love it here. Here's our trusty guide, Dwayne Bell. We've been coming to Dwayne for years. He's taken care of us. There's a bunch of fine guides in this area, and Dwayne is one of our favorites. We're going to be trout fishing today, looking for some awesome rainbows, browns, and even some cutthroats can be found here. The fishing is fantastic. It's a little known gem here in the Midwest. Who would have thunk world-class trout fishing is here in the Midwest. There's some large impoundments, Bull Shoals Lake, Norfolk Lake, both beautiful lakes in their own right for fishing, for stripers, walleye, tremendous bass fishing everywhere here. And here is this incredible trout fishing nestled in the middle of it. So you can see it's a little busy today in the summer, but there's plenty of trout for everybody.
Yeah, that's a nice rainbow for down here.
That's a nice rainbow.
Nice.
Beautiful.
You can take the top. No, that's really good.
Hey.
Take the top fly. About time, fish.
There you go. There we go.
Beautiful rainbow.
Very good.
Oh man, that's a chunk.
Now work okay?
Yeah.
One of the nice things about guided trips is you almost always get lunch. Most guides will outfit you with a sandwich. This is what's left of our sandwiches, the condiments, chips, cookies, and some soft drinks. This is the classic riverside lunch. Virtually every guide will do it for you, and they're always delicious. We've just finished up a fantastic day on the White River in northern Arkansas. We are in Cotter, Arkansas, Trout Capital USA. Here's the iconic Cotter Bridge over the White River. We had a fantastic guide. His name is Dwayne Bell. We also got to meet Steve Daly of Daly's Trout Guides and Fly Shop. These are both fantastic people to look up if you want good guides and good equipment here in Cotter. Once again, a fantastic day. caught all kinds of beautiful fish, and it was certainly a place that you want to check out if you like to fish.